Hello student and warm welcome to all of you in my new and interesting session on mathematics. So friend, are you ready to study and enjoy our today's session? So let us start our today's session. So friend, in this video we are going to learn about trigonometric function. That is our third chapter of part 1. So initially let us learn about principal solution. So friend, principal solution means the solution or the value of angle of trigonometric equation which lies between 0 and 2 pi. Is that clear? Let me explain in a simple way. Suppose you are to given one trigonometric equation, that is sin x is equal to 1 by 2, and your question is find its principal solution. So friend, principal solution means the value of angle, means the value of x which satisfied the given trigonometric equation, means sin x is equal to 1 by 2, and which lies between 0 and 2 pi. Got it? So friend, sine of which angle is equal to 1 by 2? So from previous knowledge you have know that sine of 30 is equal to 1 by 2. So sine 30 is equal to 1 by 2. By comparing, you get x is equal to 30 degree. Okay, and this 30 degree lies between 0 and 2 pi, and because of that you can say that x is equal to 30 degree is the principal solution of sin x is equal to 1 by 2. Is that clear? Here you have to notate one thing, that principal solution are always calculated in radian, not in degree. Understood? So friend, 180 degree means pi radian. Got it? So 90 degree means pi by 2 radian. Got it? 60 degree means pi by 3 radian. 45 degree means pi by 4 radian. 30 degree means pi by 6 radian. Okay? 360 degree means 2 pi radian. Understood? So here x is equal to 30 degree. 30 degree means pi by 6 radian. So x is equal to pi by 6. Okay? That is your principal solution. Understood? So friend, before learning about the problem based on principal solution, let us understand some basic thing which you had learned in your previous class. So friend, your first basic thing is angle trigonometric ratio. Sin theta, cos theta, 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. So sin of 0 degree means 0, sin 30 means 1 by 2, sin 45 means 1 by root 2, sin 60 means root 3 by 2 and sin 90 means 1. Now write it reversely. Okay, 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2 and 0. Okay. Your second basic thing is plot x and y axis. This is x axis and this is y axis. Okay. This is first quadrant, this is second quadrant, this is third quadrant, this is fourth quadrant. This is 0 degree, then it becomes 90. This is 180 degree, 180 plus 90 means 270 degree, and this is 360 degree. But while finding the value of principal solution, you have to take angle in radian. So convert this angle into radian. 180 degree means pi radian, 90 degree means pi by 2 radian, 270 degree means 3 pi by 2 radian, pi by 2 means 90, 90 into 3 means 270 and 360 means 2 pi radian. Okay. So friend, if any angle present in first quadrant, then its value is less than 90. So take pi by 2 minus theta. If any angle present in second quadrant, then it is greater than 90. So write down pi by 2 plus theta. But it is less than 180 means pi minus theta. Okay. Any angle present in third quadrant, it is greater than 180. So write down pi plus theta. But it is less than 3 pi by 2 means 270. Okay. So write down 3 pi by 2 minus theta. Okay. Any angle which are present in fourth quadrant, it is greater than 270. So write down 3 pi by 2 plus theta. But it is less than 360 means write down 2 pi minus theta. Understood? After that, you have to remember one line here. And that line is, all students take care in corona. All. Okay, student take care in corona. It means all trigonometric ratio, that is sine, cos, tan, cot, sec and cosec. In first quadrant, all trigonometric ratio are positive. Okay. In second quadrant, yes means sine and its reciprocal ratio means cosec. So sine and cosec, these two trigonometric ratio are positive. Okay. In third quadrant, T means tan and its reciprocal ratio means cot. These two ratio are positive. And C means cos and its reciprocal ratio means sec. These two trigonometric ratio are positive. Understood? Now let us learn some problem based on principal solution. So friend, here you have to notate two things. Number one, you have to find out two principal solution of every trigonometric equation. Okay? And second thing is, you have to use this pi and 2 pi angle. Okay? So let us take some example. Your question is, find principal solution of sin x is equal to 1 by 2. Okay? So friend, sin x is equal to 1 by 2. That is your given trigonometric equation. Now, sine of which angle is equal to 1 by 2? So, sine of 30 is equal to 1 by 2. So, write down sine 30. 30 means pi by 6 radian is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. So, by comparing, you get x is equal to pi by 6. Okay. But this pi by 6 is lies between 0 and 2 pi. Pi by 6 means 30. 0 and 2 pi, 2 pi means 360. So 30 is lies between 0 and 360. So write down here, since pi by 6 is lies between 0 and 2 pi and therefore x is equal to pi by 6 is the principal solution of sin x is equal to 1 by 2. Understood? Now you have to find out second principal solution. Okay. So for that purpose, sine, now check in which quadrant sine is positive. So sine is positive in first quadrant and in second quadrant. But in first quadrant, here pi by 2 is given, and from previous knowledge we have known that you have to use this pi and 2 pi angle. So here in second quadrant, this pi minus theta. Okay, so sin pi minus theta means sin theta. Okay, so sin pi minus theta, theta means pi by 6 is equal to sin theta, theta means pi by 6. Sin, by performing cross multiplication, 6 into pi means 6 pi minus 1 pi, 6 pi minus 1 pi means 5 pi by 6 is equal to sin pi by 6. Okay. So this 5 pi by 6, okay, 5 pi by 6 is lies between 0 and 2 pi. So pi by 6 means 30, 30 into 5, 30 into 5 means 150. So 150 is lies between 0 and 360. So write down here, since this 5 pi by 6 is lies between 0 and 2 pi. Okay, therefore x is equal to 5 pi by 6 is the principal solution of sin x is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, so your answer is x is equal to pi by 6 and x is equal to 5 pi by 6 is the principal solution of given trigonometric equation. Understood? Now let us take one more example. So find the principal solution of cos x is equal to 1 by root 2. Okay? So cos x is equal to 1 by root 2. Cos of which angle is equal to 1 by root 2? So from previous knowledge, cos of 45 is equal to 1 by root 2. So write down cos of 45 degree. 45 degree means pi by 4 radian is equal to 1 by root 2. So by comparing, you get x is equal to pi by 4 radian. Okay. So x is equal to pi by 4. Pi by 4 means 45. So 45 lies between 0 and 360. Okay. So write down here. This pi by 4 lies between 0 and 2 pi, and therefore x is equal to pi by 4 is the principal solution of cos x is equal to 1 by root 2. Okay. Now find second principal solution. So friend, cos. Okay. So in which quadrant cos is positive? So cos is positive in first quadrant, but in first quadrant here pi by 2 is given. And from previous knowledge you have known that you have to take pi and 2 pi only. Okay. So now in fourth quadrant, okay, this cos is positive. Okay. So write down cos 2 pi minus theta. So 2 pi minus x is equal to cos x. Now cos 2 pi minus x means pi by 4 is equal to cos pi by 4. So cos, perform the cross multiplication. 8 pi minus pi means 7 pi by 4 is equal to cos of pi by 4. Okay. Now what is the value of 7 pi by 4? Pi by 4 means 45. 45 multiplied by 7. 7 5 the 35. 7 4 the 28 plus 3. 31 means 315. So this 315 lies between 0 and 2 pi. Okay. So write down here. Therefore this 7 pi by 4 lies between 0 and 2 pi, and therefore x is equal to 7 pi by 4 is the principal solution of given trigonometric equation. Got it? So friend, I hope you understood and enjoyed today's portion. And if you really understood and enjoyed today's portion, then some problem are displayed on your screen. Note it and solve it at home. And please like, share and subscribe this video. Thank you and have a nice day to all.